two ways to insert a window. First option is to replace a panel element. To do that, you select a panel, unpin it and select a window panel element in the drop-down menu. Same can be done by joining or dividing panels first. To join some panels, select and remove a grid segment while deleting the mullion as well. From here the process is as before, unpin the panel and select the window to replace it. Editing the grids can be easier if we delete the mullions from the curtain wall type. By using the curtain grid tool, we can add and remove grid lines. Repeat the process. Unpin and assign a window. Option 2 is to use the window tool. Select the window type and insert to a position on the curtain wall. Edit the position, size, and panel thickness. Next we use the cut tool. First we select the target element, that is panel, and then choose the cutting element, the window. Repeat for every cut panel. Let's reapply the mullions. Thank you for watching. You are welcome to check the rest of the series.